మనదీప్ నువ్వే హోస్ట్ కూడా చూడు ఎవరైనా వస్తే యాడ్ చేయాలి.
ఓకే.
So in this video we are going to discuss in this class regarding the sales budget. Okay, here question number 1 relating to sales budget. HP Limited manufacturers which two brand, okay, which has two brands A and B, gives the following particulars. Sales department of the company has 3 departments in different areas of the country. Okay, it has 3 departments in different areas of the country. Department 1, wait a minute, some information is given, let us see the information also. Sales budget for the year ending 31st December 1992 were, okay, sales budget for 1992 31st December were Department 1 6 lakhs, Department 2 11,25,000, Department 3 3,60,000. Department 1 there are brand A and brand B. Okay, this information is, the first information is relating to brand A, second information is relating to brand B. So in brand B we are having Department 1 sales 8 lakhs, Department 2 sales 12 lakhs and Department 3 sales 40,000. So till here information is brand A, and from 8 lakh onwards it is relating to brand B, that to 31st December 1992. Sale price are 3,000 and 4,000 in all departments. Okay, for brand A 3,000 rupees per price, and for brand B 4,000. Next, it is estimated that with rigorous sales promotion, sales of B in the Department 1 will increase by 3,50,000. What they are saying, in Department B it will be, if you do rigorous sales promotion in Department 1, okay, brand B will be increased by 3,50,000 only in Department 1. And it also expected that by increasing the production arrangements, arranging extensive advertisement, okay, Department 3 will be able to increase the sales by sales of B to 1 lakh. Okay, so there are two things. One, they are saying Department 1 brand B will increase by 3,50,000, and another they are saying with the extensive increasing production and arranging the extensive advertisement, because of advertisement other things, brand B will increase by 1 lakh. It is recognized that estimated sales by Department 2 in respect of, sorry, they are saying it is recognized that the estimated sales by Department 2 represents an unsatisfactory target. It agrees to increase both estimates 20%. Both means brand A as well as brand B. Okay, brand A, brand B, they are going to increase Which department? Department 2. Department 2 related 20% increase will be there. Okay. Next they are saying you to prepare the sales budget for the year 31st December 1992. Okay. All information is given in much bigger amounts. We will eliminate 3 zeros. Okay, 3 zeros we will eliminate and we will take the amount because selling price also in 1000 rupees. Okay. So unit sales units, what we will do, we will decrease 3 zeros and we will take the information. Hope you understood. So just we need to see the information given. Department wise we need to prepare as well as brand wise we need to prepare. Okay, brand A, brand B, department 1, department 2, department 3. Like that we will prepare. Is there any doubt in the question till now? We need to increase department 1 only brand B and department 3 only brand B. Brand A will not be increased in department 1 and 3. But in department 2, both the estimates, brand A as well as brand B, both will be increased. Okay. Shall we prepare? So statement showing sales budget of brand A and B in the 3 departments 1, 2 and 3 for the December 1992, right? So let us take the information. One total column. Here I take department 3. Department 2. Department 1. Particulars. First, we will take the department A. Later, we will take the department D. Okay. Budgeted sales of department brand A. What are given in the brand A? Department 1, 6 lakhs. Department 2, 11 lakh 50,000. 11 lakh 25,000. Okay.
3 lakh 60,000.
Department
3
3 lakh 60,000. Total 6 plus 11, 17, 17 plus 3, 20 lakh 85,000. These are the totals that was present normally budgeted, but because of intensive price changes in the there are changes in the department 1 and 2 in respect of only brand B, not in brand A. But however, they have an increase of 20% in department 2 for both the estimates they said. In department 2, last line you see, there is though they are not reaching they are not unsatisfactory with their targets, but they are there is an increase of 20%, okay, of both the estimates in department 2. So brand A, department 2, sales will get increased by 20%. So we'll add estimated increase in sales by 20%. How much percentage? 20%.
2 lakh 25,000.
Of department 2 alone, only department 2, not department 1 and department 3. There is no increase. So here there is no increase. Here there is increase of 20%. How much it will be? 20% means 2 lakh.
11 lakhs.
11 lakhs into 20%. 50,000. 2 double కావాలి కదా అది 1125 0 0 1125 00.
11 lakh 25,000 కదా.
25,000 into 20%.
2 lakh 25,000.
2 lakh 25 ना పక్కానా 2% అంటున్నా
2% గా 20%.
సారీ 20% అంటున్నా 10% కి ఒక సున్నా తీసేయాలి మంచిగా చేయి what is it 20% of 11,25,000 anyone online
2 lakh 35,000 వస్తుంది.
అదే అట్లా ఎట్లా వస్తుంది 10% అంటేనే 1,12,000 రైట్
1,25,000.
2,25,000 okay
2,25,000.
okay I made wrong estimate okay 12,500 right is 1,12,500 1,12,500 okay so there is no change in the department 3 so it will be 2,25,000 so total of brand A here 6 lakhs here it will be 13,50,000
13,50,000.
then 3,60,000 21 lakh 10,000 22 23
23 lakh 10,000.
10,000 right these are the totals of brand A as well as department wise subtotal we have got but it is in units itself we need to multiply these amounts with the rupees also what is the price per unit price is how much? 3,000 rupees they said, na? These all are units itself. Okay, whatever information is given, that is in units. But selling price is how much? Selling price. So 3,000. So selling price in thousands I'll write. Okay, in thousands I'll write, and I'll take only 333, because if we multiply, it will give much more amount. So to get the minimum amount, we will multiply with the only in thousands I wrote. So here 3, here 3, here also 3, multiply with the 3.
$18 lakhs.
Here 18, here
13 lakh 50,000.
13 lakh 50,000 into 3.
40 lakh 50,000.
40 lakhs
50,000.
50,000.
3 lakh 60,000.
3 lakh 60,000. 3 lakh
10 lakh
60,000.
80,000.
10 lakh
80,000.
80,000.
22 lakhs 10,000. 69 lakhs 30,000.
69 lakh 30,000.
30,000. Okay. One answer we got regarding the brand A we got. Okay. Next we need to get for brand B. So let us calculate brand B. Budgeted sales of brand B what are the amounts given?
8 lakhs.
8 lakhs,
12 lakhs.
12 lakhs,
40,000.
12 lakh 40,000.
12 lakhs తర్వాత department.
Next department fee only 40,000. Okay. Next total 12 plus 12 24 lakhs. These are the normal estimation, but because of the
40,000 and 8 lakhs 40,000 is
40 okay. 20 lakh 40,000. There is a correction. 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 40,000, 20 lakh 40,000. So budgeted sales, these all are in units itself now. If you want to write in here units, here also units. Next, add increase. First one, what they said?
3,50,000.
3,50,000 due to
Promotion.
sales promotion, increase due to sales promotion of department A. 1. Sales promotion, department 1 is increased how much?
3,50,000.
3,50,000. And increase due to advertisement. Okay, advertisement, because of advertisement, department 3 has increased
1 lakh.
how much?
1 lakh. అక్కడ
రాస్తున్నా 1 lakh. Next, there is one more increase. Okay, estimated increase. This is regarding department 3. This is department 2. Estimated increase in department 2, 20%. So 20% of department 2 will be
2,40,000.
2 lakhs 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000. So here it will be 3,50,000, 1,00,000 and 2,40,000. Right? Add all those.
Department pay calculation 2,40,000. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు వేసినావు?
Layer. So total
Department 1 name 11,50,000 total
11,50,000,
50,000.
14,40,000. Department
14,40,000,
1,40,000.
1,40,000. Together 11, 14, 15,90,000, 25,90,000,
27 lakhs 30,000.
20.
7 lakhs 30,000 ఇక్కడ total.
Sorry, 27 lakhs 30,000. These are the values relating to units itself. Total sales of brand B in units. Selling price is how much? Selling price in 1,000. Okay. In 1,000. So rupees 4,000 multiply with the 4,000. First one.
46 lakhs.
Wait. Total budgeted sales of brand B.
Department 1 46 lakhs.
46 lakhs.
అంటే 46 lakhs.
Okay. Next
57 lakhs 60,000.
57 lakhs 60,000.
5 lakhs
5 lakhs 60,000. Total 27 lakh 30,000 into 4.
crores మీద
ఎంతనన్నా రాని చెప్పు, నంబర్ చెప్పు.
1092
1092
92
40
0000 0000.
Okay. 1 crore 9,20,000. In your question they gave amounts 3 zeros omitted. Okay. In the answer they gave 3 zeros omitted. You can verify it. So this is how we need to do. Department wise total you can have, and as well as product wise. If you want to take only department one total sales of brand A and brand B, then we need to add this 18 lakhs and 46 lakhs. What is the amount? Total
64 lakhs.
sales department wise. Here we are taking department wise total. Okay.
64 lakhs.
How much?
64 lakhs.
64. Okay, next 40,50,000. This 40,50,000 plus 57,60,000.
98 lakhs 10,000.
98 lakhs
10,000.
10,000.
16 lakhs 40,000.
16 lakh 40,000. And here you will get grand total of all the departments. Okay, how much it will be? 69,30,000 plus 1,09,20,000. 1,78,50,000. 1,78,50,000. This is the grand total. Okay, that may not be available in your textbook answer. They are giving only department wise. Hope till here you have understood. Please make a screenshot of it. See, there is an increase of this 20%. Both estimate, they said, both means brand A as well as brand B, both you need to consider. Okay.
10 minutes soon.
10 minutes. Take this screenshot. If any doubts, please ask me. And even in the exam, you can do one thing to have small columns. You can eliminate 3 zeros here and add 3 zeros in the selling price. So you will write 600. Okay. 1125, 630, 2085. You eliminate 3 zeros here. Add in the selling price. You can add in the selling price instead of 3. Here I wrote selling price in 1000. Just you write selling price in rupees. 3000 you will write. Then also no problem. Okay. But here you need to mention in units 3 zeros omitted. Okay. Here in thousands I wrote. So that is why there will not be any problem. Got it the logic? Just we need to, whatever they said, increase portion, we need to add that only. Okay. If it ends here, we will rejoin again for the next question.